In this video, I am going to show you how we can hide the password reveal button in Windows 11. So if you type your password on login screen, so there is a password reveal button that can reveal your password. Like I have typed GC. And if someone is trying to steal your password, he or she can steal it while you are away from your desk. Or if you have typed like this and suppose you left your desk suddenly, and he or she can see your password, whatever you have typed. So in order to hide this password reveal button, we can go to a group policy. And in the group policy, we have computer configuration and then go to administrative templates and go to window components. And here you can see the credential user interface policy. So this is the policy, do not display the password reveal button. So click on enable and click on OK. So next time you enter your password, it will not show the password reveal button. Let's check it out. So sign in, verify. See, if you type your password, there is no password reveal button. So in this way, you can use this policy to hide the password reveal button. Thanks for watching.